What's up, guys? Hey, I feel like I haven't recorded in so long. Why don't I know how to start this? I was like, oh, I'm about to get some cute little vacuum shots. Girl, the vacuum don't even work for real. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bri, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, bestie? I'm so glad to have you here. If you have not subscribed already, please do subscribe and become a part of the family. I know that most of y'all that be watching me don't be subscribed, so you might as well subscribe if you're tuning in and watching me anyways. I feel like you kind of fuck with me a little bit, and make sure that you guys turn on the post notifications so that you guys get notified whenever I post and you don't miss any uploads. Now, I know y'all see the mess in the background, so we're just gonna address the elephant in the room. It's a mess in here. I'm gonna show you how messy it is. It is embarrassing. I am a real person. It does get messy. I'm sorry. And I just have been putting it off. Like the week of Christmas, like everything was super clean, but now it looks like that, a hot fucking mess. I just feel like I have so much to do. So before I get too deep into it, I did want to say I'm going to do some things differently this year with my channel. I want to incorporate some new things, and I love when people do like weekly and monthly resets. I'm probably not going to record weekly resets and just like give you a whole bunch throughout the month. I don't think that would be that entertaining. Let me know if you want that, but I was thinking maybe doing like monthly resets. It's a new year. The month is about over. I know some people say the new year doesn't start until February, and January is just a trial run. So for me, I feel like January was just a trial run. So February, I'm getting my shit even more together. Now don't get me wrong, I've been doing my thing this year. Like I've lost a little bit of weight, so I feel good about that. I think I've lost, like, I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. I need to make sure I actually really lost that, because you never know what the scale might say tomorrow. But either way it goes, I'm planning on cleaning up. I have about like 3 hours to get my life together, so let's see what I can get done in 3 hours before it's time for me to get ready, because we're supposed to be going somewhere to go watch the Bengals play. I'm from Cincinnati. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm from Cincinnati, so who they? Bengals are real important in this house. Y'all, I cannot find my big old tripod that I'm always using. I got my PJs on from Victoria's Secret. If you guys want these, then I can go ahead and try to link them down below. And I have on my UGG house shoes. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this cleaning.
Like damn, she in her mood. Damn, she
I have to let you go.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
I have to let you go.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. I ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chain. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Ooh. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch when I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Never get me wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
So y'all, I have the shittiest fucking vacuum in the whole entire world. I really don't know why or what's wrong with it, but I low-key don't think it sucks up anything. No, it's not a low-key. I know it doesn't suck up anything because I just was trying to vacuum and I'm watching the vacuum just push fucking shit around. It's really not working. I was like, oh, I'm about to get some cute little vacuum shots. Girl, the vacuum don't even work for real. So let me just go ahead and try to get this shit to work. Hold on. So you guys, as of right now, this reset has actually been going very horribly. But you know what? I am not going to let this determine how I feel about 1, the rest of the day, 2, the rest of the month, and 3, the rest of the year. Ideally, I would have loved if everything could have like just come together better. But at the end of the day, like, you gotta roll with the punches. So I can't wait to get new furniture, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm just like looking at my bed and it's pissing me off. But anyways, yeah, it's kind of been messing with me how badly this has been going. I feel like everything is taking so long and I literally haven't accomplished anything. It still pretty much looks the same. The only thing that's done is the bedroom, and the bedroom really isn't even as clean as I would like it to be because my vacuum stopped working. So yeah, I'm not feeling good about this, but I'm gonna try to persevere because I really do want to put this video out for you guys. So if you're watching this and you've also made it this far, I appreciate you because yeah, I feel very much not good. I really want to shower, and today's Sunday, so it's not like I could just work on this tomorrow because my job doesn't get MLK Day off. So yeah, so I'm just feeling a little bit frustrated, and I also feel very overwhelmed because I feel like this is so much to do. Like, there's so much that I need to like clean up and fix, and I feel like I'm just not accomplishing anything. Like, I don't understand why it feels like I'm moving in slow motion. We're gonna still keep this going though because I really do want it to be clean. I really genuinely do not believe that I'm the only person that puts stuff like on their island. It's just convenient, it's right there. It was different when I was living in a house because everything wasn't in the same room, so like you had to take stuff upstairs. But like an apartment is basically just one big ass room, and like sometimes you just drop shit. Anyways, it's fine. Oh, and then like the boxes, that's for a haul that I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know if it'll come out before or after this video, or if this video is even coming out at all. I have no idea. So yeah.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, now they calling me Cassius. Mind you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no faster. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me.
Daddy, he making me thick. Rob his heart, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets so small, think I'm bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Baby, I watch how I move. Bitches, they see me, don't know what to do. Like, Daddy, I get in my mood. Nigga, munchie, he eat me like food. Yeah, he eating it up. Kitty on water, he beating it up. On fire, heating it up. Bitches be dirty, I'm cleaning them up. Give me a tissue. Why would I miss you when you was the issue? Don't wear the shoe if the shoe doesn't fit you. Only around me when it's beneficial. Stop texting my phone.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. I look real crusty dusty. I had to change into like my bummy pajamas because I was cleaning the sink and I always forget that there's bleach in that cleanser, and basically it bleached my new pajamas, and I'm really so upset because I just got them and they were like my favorite ones. But I'm not about to just like throw them away. I'm actually gonna go to the store and get like some rinse or something and just re-dye them back black because they were just too much, I feel like, to just go buy another pair as opposed to just buy them black and dye them black. I feel like that's so much cheaper. Like, yes, it requires more effort, but I'll be saving money because like the pajamas were like $45, you know, after tax. That's damn near 50, and I'm not trying to just go buy another pair of $50 fucking pajamas. So yeah, Ritz is like way cheaper than $50. I don't know how much it costs, but I know it's not that much. So as y'all saw, I finally finished the kitchen, which took forever. And then the bedroom is done. And in this video, I actually really wanted to take down all of my Christmas decor. So I've been like gradually taking stuff down, but I'm running out of time. The night is almost over and I know I'm gonna have to get ready for work, so I'm probably not gonna take down my tree tonight. I just wanted to like go into the week with a cleaner space because it's just been so messy here. I mean, like, y'all saw it, it was real bad. So to finish off this, I'm definitely going to at least take the Christmas decor down in the living room, and then we're gonna clean the freaking bathroom because the bathroom is not, it's literally not it. And then tomorrow I'm so ready to start doing laundry. Like, I hate doing laundry, honestly. Once I'm done cleaning the bathroom, I low-key might separate all the clothes and start a load because yeah, I just hate how much laundry there is. I do have a Poshmark though, so I can actually link that below so that you guys can go check that out if y'all want to buy them from me. But I'm gonna just show y'all the shoes real quick. So I think these are Vapor Max Pluses. Y'all, I don't remember what they're called. That's terrible. And then I have some Air Max 98s, and these are all 8.5s. Yeah, that's an 8.5. This is an 8.5 also. And then I have a pair of 97s, and these are really cute. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I watched Amber Martin and she got these like years ago, and it was giving very much Regina George. Regina George got them, so I got them. So yeah, she got them, so I got them, but I really don't even like them, honestly. And I've only worn them like all of once. You can even tell by the bottom, like I literally wore them to the mall, never put them back on. So yeah, these will be for sale. And then I also have these Adidas Falcons, which like one of my managers convinced me to buy these when I worked at like Finish Line. And you know, they were cute for the moment, but I'm not into them, and I like literally never wear them. I should have gotten rid of them a long time ago, but whatever. I wore them when I worked there though. Like, I would wear them to work because they were comfortable. But yeah, these will all be on my closet on Poshmark, so feel free to reach out to me if you guys want to buy them. So yeah, I'm gonna just put these back at the island because that's where they were sitting. I don't want them to just keep sitting on the couch.
How can we come to me start? Cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my. How can we come to me start? Cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my. How can we come to me start? Cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my heart. I have a woman's work. Till my day comes, here's what I'm gonna do. You send up in my soul, my package, and my feeling. I must confess, I'm a best for you. You send up in my soul, my package, and my feeling. I must confess, it's a thing.
We are about to go into the bathroom and clean up the bathroom because the bathroom is nasty. So let's get into it. Oh, I just realized I never plugged my speaker back up.
House.
Here we go.
The police are immediately sus. The house was freezing cold. There was only
Oh, that's nuts, Lily. That's nuts, Lily.
Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman, Nash with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm in it. Big body Range Rover, not rented. I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy. Drip down in Prada, shoes is Giuseppe. Big down, big money, big pressure. Iced out on host, no effort. Yeah, man in my DM, you should leave him. When I ask about his girl, he don't remember. Whoop, you know this flight though. Yeah, bitch, I'm bad, no Michael. All my ops, ain't friendly. Zip broke, no you can't check me. Rich, tell a hoe to get her money up. Brand new whip in the race, you the runner up. Codeine crate with the drink in his double cup. Out my way, ego bigger than a Hummer.
star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it, can't live without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Chase I deposit, chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through, they sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass bro. Break yourself, you was brains on the dance floor. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers that's full. Way before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil Nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang if you reach for my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A, B, C, D.